In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do exponents in Google Sheets. Whether you're handling complex mathematical data or simply need to perform a few calculations, Google Sheets provides powerful tools to manage and compute such tasks efficiently. Today, we'll go through two simple yet effective methods to handle exponents in your spreadsheet. First things first, you need to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to your Google Drive, locate Sheets, and open a new or existing spreadsheet. Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet application that allows you to create and format spreadsheets and work with other people collaboratively. Now, let's dive into performing exponentiation using the caret symbol. In one of the cells, type the equal sign, immediately followed by the base number, the caret symbol, represented by the EOS, and then the exponent. For example, you would type in the formula equals 2 was 3. This formula tells Google Sheets that you want to raise 2 to the power of 3, which equates to 2 multiplied by itself twice, resulting in 8. After typing your formula, hit the Enter key, and Google Sheets will compute the exponentiation operation for you. You'll see that the result appears instantly in the same cell. That's the beauty of using formulas in Google Sheets, real-time computations. The next method involves using the power function, an inbuilt function provided by Google Sheets for exponentiation. This function offers a similar outcome to using the caret symbol, but is sometimes more intuitive to use for folks familiarizing themselves with spreadsheet functions. To use this method, select a cell and type the formula as or power 2003. The first argument in the power function is the base number, 2 in this case, and the second argument is the exponent, which is 3. Again, once you've typed out your formula, press Enter. Google Sheets performs the calculation, and you'll see the result, 8, displayed as before. Both methods yield the same result, providing flexibility depending on user preference or any additional functionality required in the context of your project. So there you have it, two straightforward ways to handle exponentiation in Google Sheets. These approaches are incredibly useful, whether you're working on budgeting, data analysis, or preparing charts and graphs that require mathematical computations. Understanding these features expands your ability to utilize Google Sheets effectively, enabling you to manage your data with sophistication and ease. As you continue crafting your spreadsheets, remember these little tips and tricks. They can accelerate your work significantly and make using Google Sheets a more powerful ally in your data management tasks. Happy computing!